ending melody.
Wow, that was insane.
Hanging all alone,
Wow, what a voice.
aching note at the end. Dust on my boots and the gravel is cold. Been standing out here till my coffee gets old. Same faded jacket, same soot on my face, same rusted fence line, same cracked little case. I'm still by the roadside, guitar in my hand, hoping you'll find me, know who I am. Every car passing, I look up and stare, praying the next one will stop and you're there. I hum you that lullaby under my breath, the one that you mocked in your teenage unrest. Your name on the wind sounds so quiet and thin, like it's almost afraid to come away. And I'm still by the roadside, guitar in my hand, hoping you'll find me, know who I am. Every car passing, I look up and stare, praying the next one will stop and you're there. I painted your birthday on this old mile sign. 12 days swore you'd outgrow this old spine. If anger was gasoline, I poured you a seed. Now I drink every drop just to set you both free. Oh, taillights and headlights keep smearing the dusk. My fingers grow stiff, but I still place my trust. I strung through the years that I never got right. Each chord is an apology thrown at the night. I'm still by the roadside, guitar in my hand, hoping you'll find me, know who I am. This old man is waiting, still waiting for you. The porch light burns in the midnight air. Your picture fades in that empty chair. The kettle screams, but there's nothing there. Just me and dust and this broken prayer. Ashes in the air. You're everywhere, turning in the glow. I feel you there, every breath I take. A silent dare to hold what's gone like ashes in the air. The old clock ticks like a jealous snare. Each second falls like a small despair. Your sweater hangs with your silver hair. I talk to threads like your